Now, I want all of you to download another tool which is useful. After this, what we do is, there is a new tool I already like many. In fact, I don't, not only me, but many people like it, is Microsoft Code. This is a tool provided by Microsoft recently. Though many of you, all the Java developers love Eclipse, but this is another tool useful today. It's a lot easier actually. Just to, you see, Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is from Microsoft. I like it. This is download free now, Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is one tool you can use. Or if you are to, if you once you start that, maybe download Eclipse. So this is another traditional tool used invariably almost everywhere wherever Java development happens. Okay, so this is one of the famous, obviously. Eclipse is very famous in the Java community. Downloads a 64-bit and you can install it too. And it's a bit heavy to be installed because it installs a lot of application servers also. But if you are Springboot application, you are just developing, the lightweight Visual Code should be fine. It's very lightweight than Eclipse. Okay, so I have installed my code here already. Visual Studio Code is installed. Without wasting time from everybody, I'll directly go with this. This is already installed in my Windows systems. Okay, and you can do that. It is pretty straightforward. Just download it, click, 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 it will install. Okay. Now, this is one tool I want. And again, another tool we want for our code to build is, because we are developing some advanced Java, not just Hello World. We are developing some microservices. So obviously we want some advanced tools to be used for our building rather than just a Java C or compiler. Java C is a very primitive compiler, you can say. From the day Java started, it is there. So maybe 20 plus years now, Java C is the compiler which is there. Okay. So what I want is, there is another tool is useful called Maven. M-A-V-E-N. Download. Okay. So this is a very important tool used invariably almost in all the projects today. So just go and download this Apache Maven project. Okay. You see here, it requires JDK 1.7 and above. We have 1.8, so it should be good enough. So here, the binary zip, maybe you can just download this one. 363 Apache Maven 363 bin.zip. Just download this one and download it. Unzip it. You can use any unzip file. Obviously, I don't know just to go and cover those, how to unzip it. Just unzipping. After unzipping, what you have is you see this one. This will be no, sorry. Where did it unzip? It should, okay, here it is. This is the folder it created, and just copy the whole folder, copy it, right click and copy, and maybe put in the D drive or something like that, wherever you want. You can put in C or D. I'll prefer D because I don't want my C drives will be cluttered with my development activities. So normally I prefer all my development activity to be independent of the C drive. C drive is normally reserved for the operating system itself. So I don't prefer to do my development in C. I always normally do in my D drive or whatever. So copy, right click and paste in the D drive. So I pasted it here, Apache Maven, right? You see it has got a bin directory also. So I want this to be my path, it should be in my path 2, okay? So copy, in fact, I want it should be, Maven requires that you should have, okay, let's see what is the command it uses. I just wanted to show you in the Maven, Apache Maven bin, it is mvn, okay? This is the mvn command. So it should be in our path to use, and now you can check it, cmd, before really going forward, I need to execute it. mvn, it won't found. It is not recognized, right? So what you do is, same thing, go to AC properties, advanced environment variables, and in the path. So here there is something, again, M2 home, M2 home. It is normally this way it is represented, M2 home. Or here it is because 3, so maybe I'll put it M3 home, okay? Normally previously in the Maven 2, so it is M3 home you can put, so that I'll maybe, or directly, even if you don't want, you can directly put in the path. Let's not make it complicated. So here, a new one, and simple, you copy up to the bin directory, copy it, and new, paste it, okay? Okay, so now let's check it if it is in our path, mvn, yes, it is executing, right? Okay, so you can always execute which version you're using. Same thing like Java version. Used to see which version you are executing, just Java command and mvn command, you can use hyphen version. Okay, so this is the main 2 tools we did, Java and Maven, and also a visual tool. If you have the tool called Visual Studio Code, that would be better. Okay. With that, these are the today. I think it's important just to do our homework before we really go on code, right? That's it.
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. And please do subscribe to my channel and encourage me to create more training contents. Thank you.